Hey everybody, this is another I Dream in Hair tutorial. Thanks for visiting my channel. Be sure to subscribe to my videos down below. And today's look is one of my favorite looks. It's a very beautiful, bohemian, very textured braid. As you can see, it looks like one huge cohesive braid, but I will be breaking down exactly how to make it look like this is one cohesive braid, because it definitely is not. And I did add some nice body to the ends of her hair and give it some really nice, a really pretty wave look. It's not necessarily a very structured curl to kind of complement the hairstyle. As you can see, it looks like she was just running in the woods and she's like ready to go get married. And I'm really excited to share this video with you, and yeah, let's get started.